Anthracite is the coal with the greatest degree of coalification. High fixed carbon content, low volatile yield, high density, high hardness, high ignition point, no smoke when burning. The main applications are chemical fertilizer, ceramics, manufacturing, and forging industries. Anthracite press can be divided into mechanical type and hydraulic type according to the different way of pressure. Due to mechanical, in the pressure process cannot exhaust and pressure is not enough, it is now largely obsolete. So I won't go into details here. Hydraulic anthracite block press, because of smooth pressure, low failure rate, and can be set multiple exhaust, so the finished product has the advantages of dimension standard, high compactness,